Track where the storm is right now and where it's headed, Dave.
Well, Pensacola, being here on the far western part of Florida, really not going to see much of anything from this. Maybe a little bit of a storm surge from the system, but overall, though, not looking too bad. You can see there's a center of circulation kind of south of Panama City, and it is headed up that way. And we're still looking at a storm here producing winds of right about, say, 60 miles per hour here. Is at the 10 a.m. update. We'll get another update at 1 o'clock, not a new track update. That happens at 4. But landfall will occur in the next couple of hours here. So you'll see here, I'll put the kind of future cast on to give you an idea where the rain's going to be. And say by 4, 5, 6 o'clock, it should make landfall. By 7 o'clock, it's already north. Winds are at 65, so it is going to get a little bit stronger here, not too much stronger. And then eventually going over Dothan, and then by tomorrow morning, about Columbus, Georgia here. Notice that's where it is about 7 o'clock in the morning. The heaviest rain into Atlanta. So the morning commute Atlanta, don't go there tomorrow. Let me tell you, if you have to go to Atlanta tomorrow, wait until maybe Wednesday, because it's going to be a mess there with heavy rain coming in. But notice where we don't have the rain, our area, because it's going to be displaced off to the east of us. Now during the day, you'll see the rain kind of clears off. This is the afternoon hours here on Tuesday. We're not seeing too much here, and by the evening hours, it's already up here near Knoxville, and it continues on its way up into West Virginia and Ohio as we get into early Wednesday morning, and no longer posing a threat to us at all either. So expect some tropical downpours, winds around 10 to 20, and tornadoes in southeast Alabama, far off to the eastern side of the state, though. As you'll notice here, the rain totals, they're high down here over southeastern Alabama and into Atlanta, but really nothing really significant here in the Birmingham area. Now, their tornado threat also going to stay down there, not really posing a threat here, maybe not too far away from Montgomery, Auburn, the Troy area, but that would be about it. Aside from that, we also have Tropical Depression 8 and Grace out there. Both of these systems will be staying out at sea, which is good and not impacting our area, so we don't need to worry about them. Back here at home, though, it's cloudy. We have 86 degrees out there, dew point 73. It's muggy. Already feels like it's 93 with that heat index right now here in town. It's 83 Alabaster to Talladega, Anniston around 85, 84 currently in Tuscaloosa. And you'll notice there are some showers popping up. This is one of those outer rain bands from Lake Martin back to Wetumpka, Montgomery area. This will be working eventually on in toward Clanton here. Quick little downpour, maybe some brief gusty winds with them too as they go through part of Coosa County. You're about to enter in Coosa County right now. So we'll continue to watching those as those clouds start building in from the south. We'll see a cloudy sky out there a little bit later today, and we are going to see the chance of rain coming up to around 30–40% this afternoon as some of those showers and a few thunderstorms build back across our area. So be prepared for that to continue throughout the day today. So here comes some of those showers 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock tonight. Nothing too widespread. And then tomorrow morning, most of that rain stays off to the east of us here. Now, some of it may get toward Talladega, but probably missing Birmingham through 7 a.m. And the system continues to pull to the north. A couple sprinkles maybe late morning on Tuesday, but by the afternoon, things are looking pretty good here. Now, we'll stay warm and very humid the rest of the week, and that's going to give us those daily chance of storms. Actually, greater chance Wednesday through Friday than what we'll see tomorrow.
Oh, good. Dave, thank you. Well, dealing with the loss